Fabric softeners are generally quaternary ammonium salts, where the positive charges are responsible for neutralizing negative charges that are typically present on surfaces. Since early times, dialkyl dimethyl ammonium salts have been used in fabric softeners. Since 80s, Esterquats have been prominently used as softening agent in fabric care. It is used both in standard formulations and in concentrated softeners. It has various applications, like in fabric softening, floating aids in oil and gas industry, hair conditioning. Here are some problems associated with use of Esterquats due to its non-biodegradable characteristic, which is a threat to the environment, led to researches for biodegradable and good softening effects simultaneously. The possible solutions can be categorized as follows. Strategies adopted by leading companies like Lubrisol, Dove, Henkel, Solvay to replace Esterquat in fabric softeners. Startup companies are also working on Esterquat replaces. With the selected factors, solutions can be reduced to specific ones. Studies conducted across universities and companies to replace Esterquat in fabric softeners.